Hey guys, I will be sharing my face shaving routine with you all, so let's get started. Things that you need to get started with face shaving are face razor, aloe vera gel, tissue paper, a mirror, and a cotton cloth. And your face has to be super clean. Let's keep those hair away from our face. We don't want it to shave. Very important thing, people with normal skin, dry skin, combination skin and oily skin can use face shave, but people with sensitive skin, it's not recommended. If you're doing face shaving for the first time, you need to do a patch test near your jawline so that you avoid all those skin irritation and skin problems that can occur. Face razors also come with safety cap for hygiene and safety purpose. First thing, I'm going to sanitize my razor and I'm going to clean it with the tissue paper. Make sure there's bright light and also a mirror in front of you. If you have dry skin, you can apply an aloe vera gel before shaving to maintain the moisture. Apart from that, if you are other skin type, you can also skip this step. Now let me show you a few wrong ways to shave your face. If you shave this way or this way, these are wrong. You need to keep your razor at 45-degree angle. Most important thing is to hold your skin tight and follow your hair growth direction. Now start shaving your face in smaller stroke gently and remove all those hair from your face. Make sure you follow your hair direction, and time to time you need to clean your razor with the help of a tissue paper. Make sure you don't make strokes on different direction, just follow one direction like this. You can also do your upper lips using a face shaver. All you have to do is place your tongue underneath and start shaving, following your hair growth. It's that simple. It is so painless. So when you are doing it at the center of your lips, all you have to do is mum your lips like this and remove all that hair. Now let's go ahead and do our forehead as well as eyebrows. It's that simple guys. All you have to do is hold your skin tight and आपको अपना hair growth follow करना है. Face shaving not only removes our hair, वो बहुत painless है, and also it removes dead skin from our face. So I'm shaving my eyebrows now. You can see how simple and how quick it is, and I feel it's great alternative while traveling. Once I'm done with shaving, I will take some ice in a cotton cloth and I'll start dabbing it on my face so there is no skin irritation, swelling or any kind of burning sensation. Once I'm done with that, I will take some aloe vera gel and I'll apply it on my face. You can also use a fresh aloe vera gel. I've used the Patanjali aloe vera gel here, and you can easily shave your face once a month. Again, it depends on your facial hair growth, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to patch test before trying anything on your face. Thank you so much.